All right, big news on the bomb threat that Delhi schools have received. The Delhi LG now visits the DAV school after bomb threat letter. MHA, the Ministry of Home Affairs, says nothing to panic, appears to be a hoax call. Police and security agencies taking all necessary steps as per protocols. Here's the MHA's statement that's coming out that this is likely a hoax and there's nothing to panic. It appears that it is a hoax call. A few schools received phone calls. Many of them received a threat letter. And here you have the Ministry of Home Affairs saying that the Delhi police and security agencies are currently working in action to ensure all schools are searched, all necessary protocols are taken up. Let me take you through the reactions coming in.
जैसे ही इसकी खबर स्कूलों में आई है, इमीडिएटली पुलिस को इन्फॉर्म किया गया है स्कूल अथॉरिटीज़ ने, और दिल्ली पुलिस बहुत ही जल्दी वहां पर पहुंची और सारा कॉर्डन ऑफ कर दिया गया है एरिया। सर्च ऑपरेशंस चल रहे हैं। यहाँ पर डॉग स्क्वाड्स भी हैं, बॉम्ब डिस्पोजल यूनिट्स भी काम कर रही हैं। हर तरीके से हम मुस्तैद हैं। मुझे भी 7:30 बजे इसकी इन्फॉर्मेशन मिल गई थी और इस वक्त मैंने पुलिस कमिश्नर साहब को ये कहा था कि आप पूरी फोर्स लगाकर इस पर ध्यान दें।
All right, well, we have a reaction there. The Delhi LG visiting the DAV school right after the bomb threat. We hear the MHA giving out a statement saying this is a hoax and there's really nothing to panic. But remember, classes have been suspended, children have been sent home. The bomb detection team, squads, Delhi police, all the officials, along with the fire brigade, right outside several schools that have received this threat letter and phone calls claiming that there's a bomb inside the school. So you have all the children, most of these schools have sent back their children home, clearly panic gripped. The national capital, Delhi, right in the start of the day, also adjoining areas of Noida, there schools, popular schools that have received bomb threats right this morning. Schools have been evacuated and police are now at the spot trying to search those schools to see if there is anything suspicious. But for now, the information that we have is there's no bomb found, nothing to panic. Let me quickly cut across to Anmol Bali, our correspondents who are currently across the national capital, Delhi. I'm going to start with Anmol Bali, joining us live from Mayur Vihar, Mother Mary School. Anmol, we know classes have been suspended, parents have come by to pick their children, take them back home, but give us more on the threat letter that the school has received. What is the contents of it and what has the police said?
Nabila, it was seen in the morning around 4 and 5 a.m. that many schools in the national capital as well as the adjoining cities like Noida and Gurugram have received the threat emails, and after that the schools informed to the parents because it was 8 and many of the students have reached to their schools, and the schools have informed parents via WhatsApp and calls, and many have sent the students back via school's van. And I am here currently at Mother Mary School in Mayur Vihar in the East Delhi, and this is the one of the school which in the morning also received the threat call, but now according to Home Ministry and Delhi Police this was all hoax. And I'll show you in the visual, the police has now sealed this school. They have taped this from the outside and only authorized persons are allowed to enter in the school. The police teams came here in the morning. They were here with the dog squad as well as the bomb squad. They checked every corner of the school, but now they have left the school, and according to police now they are investigating this with various angles. Apurva Gupta, DCP East Delhi was here. She was here. She talked with India Today and she told us that the police is investigating this matter by various angles.